Hi, my name is Nitin Patrick. I'm the marketing head for Kaapi Solutions, and today we are here at the bakery business. We have been here participating in the bakery business for quite some time now, and it's always been a pleasure. And we look forward for our partnership with bakery business for the coming years as well. A bit brief about Kaapi Solutions. We are one-stop solutions for your coffee requirements. Whether you're a cafe, you're a QSR, you're a bakery, hotel industry, or a roastery, we provide the equipments which are required for you, and we are a complete 360-degree solutions. When we say a 360-degree solutions, we mean sourcing, servicing, solutioning, and also getting the support that you need across for your cafe or your coffee requirements, if I have to put it in a very simple way. So we are your partners who can handhold you throughout the entire journey from start to end, and we support you in that place. Now we have an array of display of semi-automatics, fully automatics, machines which are here, which can cater to your requirements depending on your location, your aesthetics, the requirements, etc. And we are happy to help in case you are interested in that, in setting up your own coffee station. Please give us a buzz.